The correlation between climate change and the development and extinction of plant and animal species during the Neo-Earth Age. Climate change has been a persistent issue throughout the history of the planet. However, in recent times, human activities have accelerated the process, leading to significant impacts on ecosystems and species around the globe. In this essay, we will explore the correlation between climate change and the development and extinction of animal and plant species during the formation of the new Earth. Climate change and species. The Earth has undergone significant changes in its climate over time, leading to the development and extinction of various species. The formation of the new Earth, which began approximately 66 million years ago, was marked by the extinction of the dinosaurs and the rise of mammals and birds. This change was driven, in part, by a period of rapid climate change that occurred at the end of the Cretaceous period. Similarly, the end of the Ice Age, approximately 11,000 years ago, led to significant changes in the climate and the development of new species. As the climate warmed, new habitats and food sources became available, allowing certain species to thrive and adapt. However, the current era of climate change, driven by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, is happening at a much faster rate than natural climate change. This has significant impacts on ecosystems and species around the world, as they struggle to adapt to rapidly changing conditions. For example, rising temperatures and altered rainfall patterns can lead to changes in the timing of seasonal events, such as the blooming of flowers or the migration of birds. This can disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems, as species that rely on each other for food or pollination may become out of sync, leading to declines in population or even extinction. Similarly, the warming of oceans and acidification of seawater can lead to the death of coral reefs and other marine ecosystems, which provide habitat for a wide variety of species. As these ecosystems decline, so too do the populations of the species that rely on them. Climate change and extinction. Climate change is a major driver of species extinction and has been responsible for significant declines in populations and even the extinction of some species. The current rate of extinction is estimated to be 1,000 times higher than the natural background extinction rate, and climate change is a major contributor to this trend. For example, the polar bear, which relies on sea ice for hunting and breeding, is facing significant declines in population as the Arctic sea ice melts due to warming temperatures. Similarly, the golden toad, which was endemic to a small region of Costa Rica, went extinct in the late 1980s as a result of climate change-induced changes in rainfall patterns. In addition to direct impacts on species, climate change can also lead to indirect impacts through the disruption of ecosystems and food webs. As species decline or go extinct, the delicate balance of ecosystems can be disrupted, leading to further declines in populations and potential cascading effects throughout the food web. One important aspect of the correlation between climate change and species development and extinction is the idea of range shifts. Range shifts occur when species move to new areas in response to changing environmental conditions, such as rising temperatures or altered rainfall patterns. Range shifts can have significant impacts on ecosystems and other species, as new species may compete with existing ones for resources or disrupt the existing balance of the ecosystem. Additionally, range shifts can be complicated by human activities such as urbanization and fragmentation of habitat, which may block or limit the movement of species. Another important concept related to climate change and species is the idea of phenological shifts. Phenology refers to the timing of seasonal events such as flowering, migration, and hatching. Changes in climate can alter the timing of these events, leading to shifts in the timing and duration of seasons. Phenological shifts can have significant impacts on the interactions between species, as species that rely on each other for food or pollination may become out of sync.